Fresh from the biggest library of music allowed by law. Love music. Love the Midlands. Midlands Radio. Do other stations make you sick with their bad playlist?
What is with you people down there? My God, you need some help.
Finally, music to your ears.
Love music. Love the Midlands. Midlands Radio. Back to back to back to back. Hits.
Love music. Love the Midlands. Midlands Radio. It's like a concert, except that you get all the artists you love and all the good songs you like. It's a radio station, and you're tuned into it.
It's good. I listen to it.
Love music. Love the Midlands. Midlands Radio. Is that you singing along with your favorite songs? We can't blame you. Music's so good, you'd be singing all day long.
They keep me entertained all day long.
An extra mix of music. Love the Midlands. Midlands Radio Extra.
You're listening to Mason Harris, live on the UK's hit music station.
You're locked into Mason Harris, broadcasting across the World Wide Web.
My resistance is getting weak. I can't find the strength to resist your charm. Oh, you look at me that way, on my mind it goes astray with a distance. Oh, I'm so glad that I found you anyway. I use the music, baby, so I can say